Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration. Over here, click on Vibrate Vocals. Now select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with Always Vibrates, have to tap on it, and simply go back. After that, you need to scroll down, select Advanced, scroll down again, and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here, you can select Vibrate by clicking on it and going back. Then scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations, Touch Vibrations, and Outgoing Call Vibrations to enable or disable those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!